Stop scrolling right now because today I'm showing you the most rich, creamy Royal Paneer Hyderabadi recipe. The kind you only get in a restaurant, but you can make it at home in just 20 minutes. Trust me, one bite and you'll feel like you're eating at a Hyderabadi wedding feast. This is a super simple and easy recipe that you can try. So we'll start by sauteing ginger, garlic and green chillies until the raw smell disappears, followed by adding diced onions and saute everything until it turns brown in color. Now keep in mind, this is a very important step. The more you saute the onions, the better will be the flavor of the gravy. Until the onion cooks, we will chop some spinach and set aside. Here's a quick tip to get soft, spongy paneer. You need to cut it into small cubes and soak the paneer in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes so that it becomes soft and does not turn chewy when added to the gravy. Now once the onion turns nice and brown, we are going to go ahead and add in the chopped spinach and some chopped coriander for extra flavor. And keep cooking it until spinach becomes tender. So this is how it should look when it's ready. You switch off the flame, allow it to cool down completely and then blend it to a smooth fine paste. Now it's time to cook everything together for the final gravy. So heat some oil in a pot, add cumin seeds and chopped red chillies or green chillies, whatever you have. Then transfer the blended paste and allow everything to cook together for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. After that, it's time to put in the yogurt. Now you can also use cashew nut paste here, but I've replaced that with yogurt and I've added around 4 heaped tablespoons. Keep the flame on low so that the yogurt does not split and curdle in the gravy. Once mixed, you add in all your dry spices, which is turmeric powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder, and mix everything well together. And then you add a good amount of water, get a gravy-like consistency, cover and cook it for another 5 to 8 minutes until oil separates. Now goes in the star ingredient, so add in all the soaked paneer and give it a gentle stir, making sure the paneer does not break in the gravy, and season it with some salt as per your liking. For the last few steps, you need to add some garam masala, crushed Kasuri methi and fresh cream to get the rich creamy texture. Give it a last quick stir and let it simmer for a few more minutes before serving. And there you have it. Delicious Paneer Hyderabadi is ready to be served. Try it with naan, roti or even jeera rice and I promise you, your family will think you ordered it from a 5-star restaurant. If you try this recipe, then don't forget to leave your comments, share it with your family and friends and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future amazing videos. Take care and stay healthy.